Hey, what's up, Axie Infinity? What's going on this time, my friend? As you can see here, Axie Infinity will get a profit 2.53%. Axie Infinity price is increased. So definitely, it's really great news, my friend, for all of you. To Axie Infinity price is increasing now, my friend. And definitely, when a coin will starting pumping 100%, my friend, is this all credit goes to holders and the team of my friend's coin. So therefore, my friend, on 5th November, I have a two good news, my friend, for all of you now. The first good news is on 5th November, very huge explosion is coming soon, and the second good news is this time, my friends, especially all currency were very badly falls down because short time investors starting selling, so the price will pumping up. Let me explain, my friends, this both, but please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you will understand 100%, my friends, to how we will earn from crypto and how what we will need, my friends, to do this. So my friends, why I tell you to the huge explosion is coming soon on 5th November, my friend. I research personally very hardly, and experts, my friend, already predicate this coin, and my friend, I also predicate this coin. So come 100% we will understand, my friends, to in upcoming time the very huge explosion is coming soon, because one reason was that, my friends, to which they are defined to, and the start of month every coin will pumps up. So therefore that's 100% clear to Axie Infinity price will also increase, my friend, on 1st November. So therefore 100% after the 1st November the price is increasing. And the second reason, my friend, was that, to especially when a short time investors stop selling, my friends, to 100% the price will increasing. So therefore I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will be increasing now. And if you, my friends, starting buying in the start of month, then 100% at the end of month they will give you a profit. So don't miss this chance. Please take a risk and get 100% profit. Allah Hafiz, take care. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.